Let's do question answers of lesson 2 Children at Work from your supplementary reader in English It So Happened for class 8. There are 3 comprehension checks in the chapter and all the 3 comprehension checks have been discussed here in this video. You can pause the video whenever you want to match your writing speed. Comprehension check on page 9. Question 1. Velu stood on the platform but he felt as if he was still on a moving train. Why? Answer. Velu, being a small boy, was naturally tired, hungry and afraid of the ticket examiner. When he finally stood on the platform, his legs felt wobbly. Usually, the effect of moving train remains for some time even after the end of the journey. Question 2. What made him feel miserable? Answer. Velu was alone, tired and hungry. He didn't have a ticket also, so he felt miserable. Question 3, Part 1. Velu travelled without a ticket. Why? Answer. Velu travelled without a ticket because he had no money. Part 2. How did he escape the ticket collector's attention? Answer. He escaped the ticket collector's notice because the ticket collector did not come to that unreserved compartment. Question 4. Why had Velu run away from home? Answer. Velu had run away from home because he couldn't stand his father beating him one more day. His father would even snatch all the money Velu and his sisters earned and spend it on drinking. Question 5. Why did he decide to follow the strange girl? Answer. Velu agreed to go after the strange girl because he had no place to go. Besides, he was hungry and the girl promised to get food for him. Comprehension check on page number 13. Question 1. Can Velu read Tamil and English? How do you know? Answer. Velu could not read signboards in English, but he read the Tamil sign Central Jail. Question 2. If you are not careful, you will soon be counting bars there, the girl said. Part 1. What is she referring to? Answer. She is referring to Central Jail. Part 2. What does she mean when she says, if you are not careful? She says something a little later which means the same. Find that sentence. Answer. She pointed out to Velu that doing wrong was not so important as escaping the police or getting caught. The sentence is, you don't have to do anything. Just don't get caught. That's all. Question 3. Where did the girl lead Velu to? Answer. The girl led Velu to a marriage hall. Part 2. What did they get to eat? Answer. They got some food from the garbage bin. It was leftover food. Question 4. What work did she do? Think of a one-word answer. Answer: rag picker. Comprehension check on page 15. Question 1, Part 1. What material are the strange huts made out of? Answer: the strange huts were made out of metal sheets, tires, bricks, wood and plastic. Part 2. Why does Velu find them strange? Answer: Velu found those huts strange because in his village the huts were made of mud and palm leaves. Question 2. What sort of things did Jaya and children like her collect, and what did they do with those things? Answer: Jaya and other children like her collected paper, plastic and glass, etc. They sold all that to a kabadi or junk dealer. Question 3. Is Velu happy or unhappy to find work? Give a reason for your answer. Answer: Velu is not at all happy. Velu said to himself, I will do it now until I find a better job.